The Earth holds many hidden wonders, and Antarctica is a great example. This icy land hides secrets waiting to be discovered, but harsh conditions have kept us from exploring too deeply. Still, what we've learned is a mix of extraordinary and thrilling findings. From amazing life forms to unprecedented phenomena, Antarctica is full of unexplored potential. It invites explorers to look beneath its frozen surface. Join us today on a journey to reveal 14 fascinating discoveries in Antarctica that have changed how we see the world. Stick around until the end, and you'll witness some truly captivating revelations. Number 14. Underground lakes. Beneath the frozen expanse of Antarctica, a world of liquid mysteries awaits discovery, defying conventional geographic norms. While lakes and oceans are typically distinct bodies of water, Antarctica's watery realm operates outside these bounds. In 1970, scientists speculated about the existence of an entirely unique ecosystem within the Antarctic waters, one hitherto unseen. Antarctica's waters conceal entire lakes, estimated to number around 400. These lakes lie submerged beneath a thick ice cover, some reaching depths of up to 3 kilometers. Scientists hypothesize that these lakes formed during the separation of Antarctica from the ancient supercontinent Gondwanaland. The astounding fact is that these lakes remain liquid instead of freezing within the sub-zero Antarctic oceans, owing to the immense underwater pressure. The pioneering discovery was Lake Vostok in the 1990s, renowned as the largest subglacial lake in the region, buried 2.5 kilometers beneath the ice. Researchers even extracted a sample of its water, which astonishingly measured a bone-chilling -3 degrees Celsius, despite being encased in ice for over 20 million years. A groundbreaking revelation unfolded in 2014 at Lake Whillans when scientists stumbled upon entire ecosystems thriving within these submerged lakes. Microorganisms and signs of life endured in total darkness for millions of years, utilizing methane and ammonium as their energy sources. This implies the existence of a complex system of lakes, estuaries, rivers, and possibly even volcanoes beneath the Antarctic waters. Unveiling these submerged realms presents formidable challenges for scientists, given the daunting task of peering beneath the frozen surface. Nonetheless, as history has shown, the spirit of exploration persists, and the allure of uncovering the secrets hidden in Antarctica's depths remains an irresistible temptation. Number 13. Signs of ancient life, rainforests, and fossils, a surprising juxtaposition within the enigmatic Antarctic region. Given its frigid climate, it's indeed challenging to fathom signs of lush tropical life flourishing there. However, a remarkable truth emerges from the past. Before Antarctica succumbed to its icy fate in the wake of the Ice Age, it was a warm, tropical haven, teeming with rainforests and possibly even civilizations. This intriguing hypothesis gains credibility from the discovery of fossilized wood, tropical tree remnants, and leaf impressions strewn across the region. These findings provide tangible evidence of the existence of ancient rainforests that once thrived in Antarctica. Moreover, scientists have unearthed a treasure trove of fossils, encompassing marine creatures, birds, and even dinosaurs dating back to the Cretaceous period. Such diverse fossils could only signify a warm, thriving environment in the distant past. The presence of fossils belonging to a beetle species that roamed Antarctica approximately 20 million years ago further strengthens the notion of a once warm climate. In-depth research confirms that these insects could only have thrived in a tropical or temperate setting. All these fossil revelations leave us pondering the tantalizing possibility: could hidden rainforests still persist beneath Antarctica's icy surface? If they do, what marvelous new life forms and perhaps even traces of ancient civilizations might remain concealed within its depths, waiting to be unveiled by intrepid explorers? Antarctica continues to beckon with its secrets, challenging our understanding of Earth's history. Number 12. Singing ice. Antarctica, the land of ice, holds a peculiar secret: the phenomenon of singing ice. While the presence of ice in Antarctica is unsurprising, the notion of ice making music is a curious one. When scientists embarked on a mission to study the ice shifts in Antarctica, they stumbled upon a melodious marvel known as the Ross Ice Shelf. The Ross Ice Shelf, an expanse roughly the size of France and the largest shelf in Antarctica, emits an eerie, almost melodic sound. This musical phenomenon arises from the interaction between the relentless winds sweeping across the snow dunes and the surface of these dunes. As the winds collide with the dunes, They create vibrations that resonate throughout the ice, producing continuous seismic tones. In essence, the Ross Ice Shelf is always singing. Interestingly, these sounds are not audible to the human ear. Instead, scientists employ seismic sensors to detect and analyze the haunting tunes. Describing the melodies as incredibly somber and melancholic adds an eerie dimension to this natural symphony. The unsettling quality of the music deepens the intrigue surrounding this natural occurrence. The discovery of this enigmatic ice song was entirely accidental. Researchers initially employed seismic sensors to investigate other aspects of the ice slab's behavior. However, they soon realized that the song's composition changes with alterations in the environment. Today, scientists harness this eerie melody as a tool to monitor the stability and vulnerability of the ice shelf. Any deviations or shifts in the song's rhythm could signify impending trouble, such as the potential collapse of the ice shelf. This captivating discovery has led scientists to ponder an intriguing question: could glaciers too one day emit songs that can be heard by human ears? Antarctica continues to reveal its mysteries, challenging our understanding of the natural world in the most unexpected ways. Number 11. Giant Mystery Hole. In 2017, a remarkable event unfolded in Antarctica, capturing the world's attention. A colossal hole, equivalent in size to the entire island of Ireland, emerged in the ice, known as the Polynya. This enormous void, spanning 78,000 square kilometers, marked the largest opening of its kind in the region since the 1970s. The Polynya's formation is a result of intricate natural processes stemming from the presence of warm, saline water in the deeper parts of the sea. Scientifically termed cryoconite holes, these formations are composed of a unique blend of ice and dust. They contain rock particles and even minuscule microorganisms. These holes possess an unusual ability to absorb heat from sunlight, leading to the melting of the ice beneath them. This gradual melting process ultimately results in the formation of these intriguing voids, creating the illusion of land collapsing upon itself. Scientists attribute the development of these cryoconite holes to a combination of factors, including exceptional ocean conditions, the harsh Antarctic climate, and the occurrence of intense storms characterized by hurricane-like winds. These winds exert a force that pushes the ice aside, allowing the holes to take shape. Despite their mesmerizing appearance, these cryoconite holes have more significant consequences than meet the eye. They contain copious amounts of water vapor, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to the warming of the surrounding sea. This, in turn, intensifies the cyclonic storms that frequently follow, potentially leading to adverse weather conditions. As the world grapples with climate change, the emergence of such offshore holes is predicted to become more commonplace, raising concerns about the potential disasters they may unleash. Scientists are diligently working to unravel the full extent of these holes' effects. But one undeniable fact is that they become filled with water, creating environments capable of supporting life, particularly cold-adapted microorganisms, during the Antarctic summer. The emergence of these cryoconite holes serves as a stark reminder of the intricate and ever-evolving interplay of natural forces in one of Earth's most remote and enigmatic regions. Number 10. Mount Arabus, Antarctica. Often associated with an icy, desolate landscape, might be the last place one would expect to find volcanoes, yet Ross Island defies expectations. This remote island houses 4 distinct volcanoes, with one in particular commanding attention: Mount Arabus. While 3 of the volcanoes on Ross Island remain dormant, Mount Arabus has displayed increased volcanic activity over the past 3 decades, suggesting the potential for future eruptions. Beneath its imposing 800-meter peak lies a molten magma reservoir and ancient lava lakes, which have been simmering for approximately 1.3 million years. This enigmatic wonder ranks among the most active volcanoes ever discovered in the Antarctic region. Despite its geological significance, Mount Arabus remains shrouded in mystery. Its remote and treacherous location, coupled with unpredictable weather conditions, makes scientific exploration a formidable challenge. Nonetheless, in 2013, a group of intrepid scientists braved the elements to scale the volcano's peak. Their audacious expedition led to a startling discovery: organisms thriving within the volcano's extreme heat. Moreover, numerous ice caves revealed microorganisms thriving in the soil, marking these resilient life forms as some of the most extraordinary finds in Antarctica. Mount Arabus stands as a testament to the remarkable secrets still concealed beneath the ice-covered surface of Antarctica, underscoring the boundless mysteries that continue to captivate and baffle scientists and explorers alike. Number 9. World's oldest pyramid. It's a startling revelation that challenges our conventional understanding of civilization: the presence of ancient pyramids in Antarctica. While the notion of pyramids typically evokes images of Egypt's warm and ancient pharaonic culture, the discovery of pyramid-like structures in Antarctica presents a perplexing enigma. In 2016, scientists observed mysterious formations in Antarctica through satellite imagery, hinting at the possibility of man-made pyramids buried beneath the ice. These structures bore a striking resemblance to the iconic pyramids of Egypt, but were notably larger than the Great Pyramid. However, due to the region's extreme remoteness and treacherous conditions, researchers have been unable to physically investigate them. This revelation sparks intriguing questions about the potential existence of an ancient civilization in Antarctica. Could human ancestors have once inhabited and thrived in this unforgiving continent? While the evidence remains hidden beneath layers of snow, the tantalizing possibility of a lost Antarctic civilization captures the imagination. It's worth noting that some geologists propose an alternative theory. They suggest that the pyramid-like formation, located on the Ellsworth mountain range, could be a natural geological feature rather than a man-made structure. This perspective challenges the notion of an ancient civilization and underscores the ongoing debate surrounding these enigmatic formations. Ultimately, the question of whether Antarctica once hosted an advanced civilization, or if these pyramid-like structures have a natural origin, remains open for interpretation, leaving room for speculation and further exploration in this icy and mysterious corner of the world. Number 8. Ancient Meteorites Antarctica, a land of mysteries, harbors compelling evidence of past extraterrestrial activity through the discovery of ancient meteorites. While human civilizations may not have been the sole inhabitants of this icy continent, the region has become a hotspot for cosmic visitors. The phenomenon of meteorite showers in Antarctica is particularly striking. Despite meteorites falling across the Earth, Antarctica stands out due to the sheer abundance of these celestial visitors. The first Antarctic meteorite was unearthed in 1912, sparking a continuous search that has revealed numerous meteorite-rich regions scattered across the continent. The region's cold and dry conditions contribute to the exceptional preservation of these cosmic fragments, making them easier to identify against the backdrop of endless ice. The East Antarctic, in particular, is renowned for the vast concentrations of meteorites embedded in its top layers, remnants that have been part of the land for billions of years. Over 20,000 meteorite samples have been collected thus far, with the collection steadily growing. Among these discoveries is the largest meteorite ever found in Antarctica, weighing a substantial 18 kilograms. Even more astonishing, researchers have identified a fragment of Mars in the region, further cementing Antarctica's reputation as a magnet for intergalactic activity. The enigma of these meteorites beckons scientists to unravel their origins and implications, shedding light on the cosmic history intertwined with this remote and icy realm. Antarctica, with its vast, uncharted expanses, continues to astonish and captivate with its secrets from the stars. Number 7. Antarctic fungi Antarctica, a realm of extreme conditions, continues to astonish with its remarkable microorganisms, including unique fungal species that defy expectations. Among these resilient organisms is an endemic fungi species typically found in warm climates, yet it thrives in the frigid winters of Antarctica. These fungi have adapted to subsist on wood, and their presence is evident in the wooden huts once inhabited by early explorers. They stand as highly evolved creatures, demonstrating remarkable resilience in one of the planet's harshest environments. In addition to these wood-feeding fungi, another type has been discovered in Antarctica, specializing in consuming petroleum residue left behind by explorers. This trait is exclusive to the Antarctic region, further highlighting the extraordinary adaptability of its inhabitants. Today, scientists are exploring the potential of these petroleum-eating fungi in addressing large-scale oil spills worldwide. The prospect of harnessing these unique microorganisms for environmental cleanup presents a fascinating avenue of research. Antarctica, with its exceptional ecosystems and life forms, continues to offer insights into the adaptability and diversity of life on our planet. Number 6. The Forbidden Sector Antarctica harbors a mysterious and off-limits sector, a well-guarded zone akin to Area 51, Few are aware of its existence, and even fewer are permitted entry, restricted to authorized individuals. This enigmatic sector has fueled speculations about hidden secrets concealed within. Attempts to breach the boundaries of this forbidden territory are met with swift and uncompromising response from the guards. Intruders are apprehended and taken into custody, their fate shrouded in secrecy. The official explanation for the restricted access is the protection of the emperor penguin colonies, which are unique to this region. Human exclusion aims to safeguard these vulnerable creatures. However, the veil of secrecy surrounding the forbidden sector invites questions about what might truly be transpiring within its confines. The world may never know the full extent of the mysteries hidden behind these guarded borders, leaving room for speculation and intrigue about what else might be transpiring in this remote and concealed corner of Antarctica. Number 5. Third man factor. With its unforgiving terrain and extreme conditions, has been a backdrop for a phenomenon known as the third man factor. While this phenomenon can occur anywhere, explorers in Antarctic regions have reported particularly intense experiences of it. The third man factor refers to a powerful sensation of the presence of someone else during times of distress, often providing guidance and a sense of safety. In the harsh Antarctic environment, with its peculiar light and darkness cycles, many individuals experience hallucinations, which may contribute to this phenomenon. One of the most famous accounts of the third man factor comes from the explorer Ernest Shackleton and his companions. While attempting to reach South Georgia Island by boat and later trekking toward a whaling station for food and shelter, they felt the presence of another mysterious figure walking alongside them. Despite being a group of 3, all believed there were 4. Numerous other explorers stranded or struggling to find their way in Antarctica have reported similar sensations of an unseen presence guiding them. It's a phenomenon that could be linked to the psychological stress of their situation, or perhaps something inherent in the unique Antarctic environment itself. These tales of the third man factor add an extra layer of intrigue to the already enigmatic continent. Number 4. Broken compasses. The perplexing behavior of compasses at the Earth's North Pole has mystified explorers and scientists alike. At this polar extreme, compasses tend to malfunction, often leading to confusion and disorientation. The scientific explanation for this phenomenon is rooted in the North Pole's strong magnetic influence, which interferes with the magnetic fields of compasses. The Earth's magnetic fields, which originate from the planet's core, curve around its spherical shape. This curvature disrupts the reliability of compasses at the North Pole. While modern explorers and scientists are now aware of this magnetic anomaly and take precautions to navigate accurately in the region, early explorers were unaware of this issue. Tragically, some lost their way, leading to the discovery of their deceased bodies. Interestingly, some conspiracy theorists propose an alternative narrative. They suggest that the compass anomalies and similar issues with modern technology, like GPS systems, are part of a deliberate plot to deter people from certain areas of the continent, concealing untold mysteries. GPS systems, which rely on compasses, also falter due to the magnetic interference of the Earth's North Pole. While the conspiracy theories are intriguing, the scientific explanation remains the most widely accepted. The complex interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and compasses challenges our understanding of navigation at the poles, adding an air of mystery to these remote and enigmatic regions. Ultimately, the truth behind these phenomena continues to captivate the imagination and spark debate among explorers and theorists. Number 3. Blood falls. Among the eerie discoveries in Antarctica, blood falls ranks prominently in the top 3. Picture stumbling upon a river of blood flowing through a landscape of pristine white snow, an image that could unsettle even the most unflinching souls. Blood Falls is situated in the McMurdo Dry Valleys, where a 5-story high waterfall spills what appears to be crimson liquid, akin to a torrent of blood, from Taylor Glacier into Lake Bonny. For a significant period, scientists grappled with the mystery of this blood-like substance. Today, they have unraveled the enigma. Blood Falls owes its macabre appearance to its unique history. It was once a saline lake, but became isolated from the atmosphere due to the formation of ice. Over time, the water within the lake grew saltier, rendering it incapable of freezing, even in the frigid Antarctic conditions. Additionally, the water is rich in iron, imparting the distinctive red hue. With no access to oxygen or sunlight, the water's transformation into a dark crimson remains hidden from view. visible only to those who venture by helicopter or cruise ships to the Ross Sea. The spectral beauty of blood falls underscores the remarkable geological and chemical processes at play in this remote and enigmatic corner of Antarctica. Number 2. UFO sightings. A land shrouded in mystery has become a focal point for discussions about extraterrestrial activity. Amidst its remote and challenging terrain, researchers have uncovered enigmatic formations and markings through satellite imagery, suggesting the presence of spacecraft that bear no resemblance to human-made vehicles. These signs, often indicative of crashed aircraft or unexplained anomalies, have fueled intrigue and speculation. In addition to these telltale markings, Antarctica witnesses a steady stream of UFO sightings reported by individuals who venture into the region. UFO enthusiasts and researchers worldwide have posited a fascinating theory that Antarctica may serve as an ideal Earth-bound home base for extraterrestrial beings. Its isolation from human civilization, combined with its inhospitable conditions, lends credence to the notion that it could be an attractive location for beings from beyond our planet. While the evidence remains circumstantial and open to interpretation, the enigmatic allure of Antarctica's alleged ties to extraterrestrial activity continues to captivate the imagination of UFO hunters and conspiracy theorists alike. The mysteries that lie beneath the icy veneer of this continent may extend far beyond what we currently comprehend. Number 1. The Underworld. The enduring enigma of Atlantis, the legendary submerged city, has long captured human curiosity. Surprisingly, some theories suggest that the answers to this ancient mystery might be concealed beneath the frigid depths of Antarctica. The hypothesis posits that Atlantis, rather than vanishing into the ocean's abyss, is entombed and frozen beneath the Antarctic ice. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Some speculate that Adolf Hitler and the Nazis may have utilized Antarctic waters to establish a clandestine underground base. This theory is rooted in historical events, as the Nazis embarked on an expedition to Antarctica in the late 1930s with the intention of staking a territorial claim for Germany. While their territorial ambitions were not realized, it has sparked conjecture that the Nazis might have repurposed the land for secretive purposes, away from the prying eyes of the world. The notion of Atlantis hidden beneath Antarctica's ice and the shadowy history of Nazi expeditions in the region offer a captivating blend of history, mythology, and conspiracy. Which of these chilling possibilities is the most unsettling is a matter of personal perspective and belief, prompting further contemplation on the mysteries that linger beneath the frozen surface of Antarctica. Well, what are you thought about these discovered? Let us know in the comment down below.